بشی تاولوی یالا هر بشی هر بشی هر بشی چپله آزاکی باکسینگ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 Ay maşallah.
She just wants to be beautiful, she goes. I'm not as she knows. No limit she craves. Attention she praises. An image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light is shining. Deeper than the eyes can find it. Maybe we are made of blind, so she tries to cover all the pain and cut her words away. 'Cause cover girls don't cry till their face is made. But there's a hole waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing in the world to change its heart. No scars, you're beautiful. There's scars and we're beautiful.
You have today, the president you have today, and also the comfortability you have to sleep at night at peace, and the freedom you all have today is all because of the uprising. And once again, on the behalf of Farm School, on the behalf of people in Rania, I'd like to welcome you to this event, this historical event. Thank you, Rania, thank you, Kurdistan, thank you, everyone, and now, enjoy your freedom.